Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the timeless beauty of wooden furniture and decor. From rustic charm to modern elegance, wood has a unique way of bringing warmth and character to any space. Whether you're looking for inspiration to refresh your home or tips on how to choose sustainable options, we've got you covered. We'll explore stunning designs, practical tips for maintenance, and even creating an expansive look in your home can be achieved through thoughtful design choices, particularly when it comes to using wood furniture and decorative pieces. While many believe that achieving a spacious feel requires extensive renovations or costly investments, there are numerous budget-friendly strategies that can effectively enhance the perception of space in your home. By focusing on the natural beauty of wood and employing various design techniques, you can transform your living environment into an airy, open oasis. When selecting wood furniture, consider the finish and color. Light-colored woods such as pine, birch, or maple can make a room feel larger and more inviting. These woods reflect light more effectively than darker finishes, contributing to an overall sense of brightness in your space. If you already have darker wood furniture, consider sanding and refinishing it to a lighter shade, or simply use lighter decorative elements to balance the look. Multifunctional furniture is another excellent way to maximize space without breaking the bank. Look for wooden pieces that serve more than one purpose. For example, a coffee table with built-in storage can help keep your living area clutter-free while providing a surface for drinks and snacks. A bench that doubles as seating and storage can be perfect for entryways or dining areas, allowing you to maintain an organized appearance while offering additional seating when needed. Incorporating mirrors into your design is a classic trick for creating the illusion of space. A well-placed mirror can reflect light and create depth in a room. Consider using wooden-framed mirrors that complement your existing furniture. Hang a large mirror on one wall to make the room feel more expansive, or use smaller mirrors in a gallery wall arrangement to add visual interest. Open shelving is another effective way to create an airy feel in your home. Wooden shelves provide a place to display decorative items, books, or plants without the bulk of traditional cabinets. By keeping items visible, you avoid the closed-off feeling that can come from solid cabinetry. Choose a light wood finish for the shelves to maintain an open aesthetic, and arrange items in a visually pleasing way. Mixing heights and textures will keep the display interesting while allowing light to flow through the space. Vertical lines in your decor can also help elongate the appearance of your walls. Tall wooden bookshelves or vertical wall art draw the eye upward, creating the illusion of higher ceilings. This can be particularly effective in smaller rooms where height is limited. Consider adding tall plants in wooden pots or using wooden ladders to display blankets or throws vertically. Natural wood accents can add warmth and character to your home without overwhelming the space. Look for decorative pieces like wooden bowls, trays, or sculptures that complement your existing decor. Natural wood accents can add warmth and character to your home without overwhelming the space. Look for decorative pieces like wooden bowls, trays, or sculptures that complement your existing decor. These accents can be used on coffee tables, dining tables, or shelves to bring a touch of nature indoors while maintaining an open and airy feel. Layering textures is another design strategy that can enhance the spaciousness of your home. Mixing different wood finishes, such as light and dark woods or reclaimed wood, adds depth without cluttering the visual landscape. This approach allows you to create a cohesive look that feels inviting and well thought out. Strategic placement of furniture is crucial for maintaining an expansive feel in your home. Arrange pieces to allow for easy movement and flow throughout the space. Avoid blocking pathways with large furniture items. Instead, opt for smaller, more versatile pieces that can be easily moved or rearranged as needed. This not only creates a more open environment but also allows for flexibility in how you use your space. Lightweight wooden furniture is ideal for creating an expansive look because it can be easily rearranged to refresh your space. Consider using folding chairs or lightweight side tables that can be moved around as needed. This flexibility allows you to adapt your layout based on different occasions, whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening at home. Incorporating plants into your decor is another fantastic way to enhance the feeling of space in your home. Wooden planters or stands for plants can add life and vibrancy while maintaining an organic aesthetic. Choose plants with varying heights to create visual interest, and place them strategically throughout your home. Not only do plants improve air quality, but they also contribute to a calming atmosphere. When it comes to decorative pieces, consider investing in wooden wall art that adds interest without taking up floor space. This could include carved wooden panels or framed artwork made from natural materials. Such pieces can become focal points in a room while keeping the overall design light and airy. Rustic wooden trays are another versatile decorative item that can be used on coffee tables or dining tables to organize items stylishly. These trays can hold coasters, candles, or small decorative objects while adding texture and warmth to your decor. Choose trays with natural finishes that complement your existing wood furniture. Wooden picture frames are an excellent way to showcase your favorite memories while adding character to your walls. Create a gallery wall with frames of varying sizes and finishes for a dynamic look that draws attention upward. This arrangement not only personalizes your space but also enhances the perception of height. A large wooden clock can serve as both a functional and decorative piece in your home. Choose a clock with a unique design that complements. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.